Do you remember the first time you fell in love? That feeling like the whole world just stops. For me, it was in a crowded library, of all places. He was reaching for the same book as me, a worn-out copy of our favorite novel. Our hands touched for just a second, but it felt like a lifetime. We talked for hours about everything and nothing. It wasn't some grand, dramatic movie scene. It was quiet. It was real. We built our love story not on big gestures, but on shared whispers, knowing glances, and the simple comfort of being together. Years later, that feeling hasn't faded. It's a reminder that the most profound love stories are often written in the simplest moments. What's a simple moment that defined love for you? Share your story in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more stories.